Well, the rain has been relentless this week, absolutely relentless. It seems like it's been raining non-stop for the last 7 days since I last gave you an update on Rebecca's van build. It's just literally stopped raining, as you can see. So I thought I'd do a quick weekly update on our progress. Rebecca's sitting here patiently waiting for me. Say hello, Rebecca.
Hello, Rebecca. Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
So where did we leave you off last week? Last week, right, let's put my keys down. So last week's video, we spoke about, oh, you've taped them up.
Yeah.
Removing these bits of ribs here. You can see Rebecca's taped over it now, because I did make a few little holes drilling those out.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'll show you what I did. So this is the piece. This is the aftermath. As you can see, that used to be up there.
Do you want me to hold it like that?
And then I used a special drill to drill that out and remove it.
Yeah, and they've come away really cleanly, so
really
that's good.
clean, yeah.
So Scrapman can have that.
Yeah, you can have that now.
And he's done the same on the other side.
Yeah, the other side, and Rebecca's, again, she's put some silver tape over it.
Yeah.
To stop any condensation, I guess, yeah, acting as a vapour barrier. You can see she's gone a bit crazy with the silver tape everywhere.
But it's also because we're going to be carpet lining it all, so it's to cover over all of the holes.
We're not going to board this right out, we're actually going to carpet round
all of the pillars.
Framework and then put the original panels back
with carpet
over.
Yeah.
And here's the carpet here. This is the colour. It's like a, what colour is it?
It's either wheat or barley. It's basically beige.
Beige.
Yeah.
So
it's a light beige, which is nice and warm, and I thought it was a nice colour to go with my theme of the van. So that is the next thing that needs to happen, but of course we need dry weather to do that, so it's been a bit tricky, hasn't it?
I was just saying, it's been absolutely biblical, the rain.
Yeah.
And for those Dobby doubters out there, as you can see,
yeah, this is
the skylight has not leaked at all.
The floor is completely dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's completely dry.
Told you it wouldn't leak, didn't I?
And it's fantastic. Like the amount of light that comes in even on such a dark day, it's brilliant. So thoroughly pleased.
But we have managed to get quite a few bits done. I've got we've done some wiring. As you can see, there's little loops of wire here. These are for our downlighters. Rebecca wants some spotlights over here, so we've run some wires through for that and getting it all ready.
And then we've got
Rebecca sitting on it down there. So the main fuse box is hopefully going to go down here somewhere with the batteries as well.
And then
so I've just left those nice and long so that we can connect those up to the fuse box as and when it's fitted.
Yeah.
The main important thing is the wires are all threaded through across that beam inside, and Rebecca's now started to insulate it.
Yeah, I'm going to fill that all up with some dodo fleece. So that came in the post yesterday.
Sorry, I've got to cover the wires with this stuff as well.
We're going to sheathe it.
This is like, it's not fully sealed, there is a slot there, so it makes it really easy
to open.
Yeah, to open it up. And
let me show you.
It's a bit fiddly.
It kind of
so the wires will be
like
protected, just in case people are worried. We're going to protect the wires.
Yeah, we will be doing that.
Of course we are. Right, now the other thing I've done is fit a diesel heater. The diesel heater is kind of installed. Just move Rebecca's rubbish bag out of the way. And I've fitted a diesel heater underneath the passenger seat. And we've gone for the 2 kilowatt heater. And this is the 2 kilowatt heater that I took out of my van. It was kind of playing up a little bit. Max Speeding Rods, who supply the diesel heaters, have actually run out of the 2 kilowatt heaters. So I said to Rebecca, well, how about we just fit my dodgy old one for now, and then when they get them back in stock, we can
switch it over, buy
another one and switch it over if we need to. I mean, it works perfectly fine. It just goes through some kind of funky, I don't know, it goes through a weird start-up system. Yeah, it's not normal. So
but this is a backup just for now.
It's just so that it's fitted. The diesel heater's fitted. It'll be easy to swap it out for another one if it does go wrong.
Yeah.
And the main thing is that it's all the wiring and everything will be installed. Still got the 12 volt cigarette lighter plug connected to it.
Yeah.
So before we hardwire this in, we can still run it and check it, make sure it does work. But like I say, the important thing is the holes are all cut, the plate is fitted, all the pipe work's going to be done, was going to be done, but we run up against a bit of a problem. I removed Rebecca's fuel tank, and it was heavy because it had like half a tank of fuel in it. That was heavier than I thought it would be. Literally laid down on my legs and I got trapped under the van.
That's going to be coming on a video very soon. Did
you video it?
Yeah.
I did, right. I weren't sure, I weren't filming it. Rebecca was filming it because I just wanted to concentrate on getting the heater fitted. So yeah, the tank on Rebecca's van is held up with straps. So I laid underneath the van, got my knees wedged up against the tank, undone the straps thinking that won't be that heavy. I was a little bit wrong. I miscalculated the weight of the tank.
Yeah, definitely.
It was probably weighed, I don't know, you had a good half a tank of fuel in it, and so it was probably 50 litres. So 50 litres of fuel was around about 50 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, and it took 2 of us to get the tank back up. Once I realised that the standpipe that I was going to fit in the top sat too proud. So the standpipe was too proud. So
was this the standpipe that came with the diesel
it came with
heater?
the kit.
Yeah.
I should go and get it really and show you what I mean.
Yeah, get it.
Right, back in a moment, I'll get the standpipe so you can visualise what I'm talking about. And here's the standpipe I was talking about. You see it's quite long, you need to cut this to length. But the problem I had or discovered was at the height of this. Because Rebecca's fuel tank is moulded to fit perfectly underneath her van, there's actually no gap in the top of it. It's a really tight fit. And I was worried that if I did fit this in the top of Rebecca's tank, when I go to replace it back up underneath her van, it would simply not allow it to fit. The tank wouldn't be able to fit because the floor of the van would hit this. So I decided to put the tank back as it was, and then Rebecca found a video from another YouTuber that has also got a full transit. It's not a custom though, it's a full transit. It's a normal full transit, isn't it? He's got, yeah, which is Alex Frood, Mispronounced Adventures.
Yeah.
Really nice bloke. Go and check out his YouTube channel. So yeah, Alex, if you're watching this, cheers, buddy. Because we're going to copy exactly what Alex did, and that was buy an adapter kit that actually goes onto the main fuel pickup pipe that's already fitted in the tank. That makes sense? Yeah. So basically, in the top of the sender unit of the fuel tank, there's this extra spare nipple, and you take the top of that off and get this adapter that goes on top, and that's where you can draw diesel from the tank to a diesel heater. So we're going to take full advantage of that. Rebecca's ordered the part, and hopefully by the time that part comes, Rebecca will have less fuel in her diesel tank, making it a lot easier for me to drop the tank, fit this special adapter, and put the tank back in place. That's the plan anyway. So I'm getting Rebecca to drive her van as much as possible between now and then. At the moment, how many miles you done in so far?
487.
So all she's done is 487 miles. So hopefully we'll get Rebecca to drive the van a little bit more, get rid of all that fuel in the tank, and then make it a lot easier for me to remove the tank, fit the little standpipe, and then put the tank back up and finish installing the diesel heater. Rest assured, I will film that process, and I'll put that on my channel and Rebecca's channel as well.
And just to say, we will definitely film it because it was really interesting, and hopefully it will help a lot of you guys out too.
Yeah, and Rebecca was really shocked when she saw her fuel tank come sliding out from underneath her van. She thought I was just going to drop it and do some bits. She didn't realise I was actually going to remove the whole tank from her van. It was
pretty scary, to be honest. I've never seen a vehicle in so many bits.
She was really worried, bless her, and I had to reassure her that I've quite a lot of experience in taking vehicles apart.
And also,
just putting them back together again.
Yeah, but the thing was that we were also battling the elements because it was the day of that horrendous thunderstorm.
Absolutely chucking it down.
And the rain was lashing, the wind was going, and then there was Mel in the darkness with this fuel tank on him. And I was just thinking, oh my God. How is this going to work out?
I could see the look of worry on your face.
I was a bit worried, yeah.
And it was absolutely lashing it down.
However, what made it possible was, I'm just going to show you guys, because we got an absolute steal of a deal, didn't we?
Steal of a deal.
Steal of a deal. We got these from Halfords.
There we go.
Here we go.
Axle stands.
Axle stands. 3 ton, and you were able to use some discount because you had a Halford's
membership
card.
Yeah.
So we got these for 19 quid. So yeah, they are absolutely fantastic. Obviously 2.
Yeah, you did get them in pairs.
Yeah, you get them in pairs. But yeah, if you're looking for some good axle stands that are good price, because we looked on so many places and we went to one place and it was 53 quid.
Yeah, for pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, so check out Halfords, honestly.
I was really surprised, yeah. And it's well worth joining their membership scheme. Like, they were 25 quid, but I got them for 19 quid.
Yeah. So please don't do anything under the van without making sure that you've got some good stands, because you just don't want to. Yeah, you don't want to risk anything. Yeah, like fuel tanks falling on top of you and squashing you under the van. It brought back memories of me being in my workshop when a car actually fell off its jack and landed on top of me, and I was actually stuck under that car for 5 hours. Yeah, so you don't want to be doing that. So please make sure you're always super safe when you're doing stuff. I only broke 3 ribs and dislocated a shoulder. Yeah, no, please. So no. I was lucky. Yeah, I was very lucky. My friend of mine, Jim, came in the workshop and found me there. And saved you. Yeah, saved the day. Again, that's twice he saved me out of my workshop. Yeah. So anyway, the van build is going well. It's going well, and the next step is obviously we've got to wait for that part to come in the post for the fuel pipe intake or uptake, whatever it is. Standpipe. And then we are gonna get the carpet lining done next. So we need to wait for tomorrow because yeah, we're having a day off today, just chilling out today, aren't we? Yeah. Just one thing I want to say about these standpipes that come with the diesel heaters: if you are considering fitting one of these to your fuel tank, make sure it's not blocked, because I've actually, the first one I took out of the box was actually blocked, and it was only because I blew through it like that. You can hear that. You can hear that it's not blocked. The one that came with one of my other diesel heaters was actually blocked. I couldn't blow through it. Oh, that's good. Yeah, it just wouldn't, it was blocked. And also don't do it right to the bottom of the tank, because it will drain your tank dry. Yeah, you have to cut these like 2 inches short when you put it in. Don't have it touching the bottom of your tank, otherwise you run the risk of your diesel heater sucking all the fuel out of your tank. Yeah. If you end up with not enough diesel in your tank to run your diesel heater, that's fine. You can always drive off and get some more diesel. But if your diesel heater drains your tank completely, then you're not going anywhere. Yeah. So yeah, always make sure you cut these standpipes short of the bottom of your tank by about that much, and then your diesel heater that way won't drain your diesel tank completely. But we'll go over that in more detail when I do actually finish installing the diesel heater, and I will upload a video showing you how this diesel heater is installed, and during the course of that video I'll share with you some tips and hints and tips that I've learned over the years fitting diesel heaters to various vans. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching, have a great week, ta-da for now. Just one other thing, don't forget to subscribe to Rebecca's channel too, The Sacred Traveller. Muchas apreciado, ta-da!